Academic degree.
学位
Academy.
学院
Admissions.
招生
Associate degree.
副学士
Bachelor's undergraduate degree.
学士学位
College student.
大学生
Department.
系
Diploma.
毕业文凭
Dissertation.
学位论文
Doctoral degree.
博士学位
Engineering.
工科
Enroll.
报名
Exchange student. Students studying abroad.
留学生
Faculty.
系
Graduate.
毕业生
Graduation.
毕业
Junior college.
大专
Laboratory.
实验室
Lecture.
讲课
Lecture hall.
讲堂
Lecturer, instructor.
讲师
Liberal arts.
文科
Major.
主修专业
Master's degree.
硕士学位
Medicine.
医科
Minor.
辅修专业
National College Entrance Exam.
高考
PhD, Doctor of Philosophy.
博士学位
Postgraduate Student.
研究生
President, Headmaster.
校长
Professor of a college or university.
大学教授
Research.
研究
Research report.
研究报告
Scholarship.
奖学金
Sciences.
理科
Undergraduate student.
本科生
University.
大学
If you're enjoying this video, please smash that like button. Now, let's get back to our lesson. Levels of education. Basic education.
基础教育
Preschool education.
学前教育
Kindergarten.
幼儿园
Elementary school. Primary school.
小学
Middle school.
中学
Junior high school.
初中
High school.
高中
Vocational high school.
职业高中
Adult education.
成人教育
Higher education.
高等教育
If you haven't already, please boot that like button before you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.